Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video I will be discussing about off-campus jobs from Deloitte, Sony, Cisco and Verizon. So all 2023, 22, 21 batch students can apply for this job. There is no 60% criteria. A step-by-step process will be explained. So must watch the video till the end. First opportunity is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for business analyst role. Talking about the eligibility, then all BTech students from any branch can apply for this job. There is no 60% criteria, so you must apply. Talking about the skills, then you should be having an excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to work in shift. You should be also having the ability to interact with individuals at any levels of the organization. You will be also required to work in a weekends. Work location will be Hyderabad. Second opportunity is from Sony. Sony is hiring for data science intern. Talking about the work location, then they are hiring for Mumbai and Bengaluru location. But there is a possibility that this internship can be a remote. Education qualification will be, you should be having a bachelor's, master's or PhD in a computer science background. Duration of the internship will be 6 months. And during this 6 months of your internship, you will be working from Monday to Friday around 9:30 to 6 p.m. And this 6-month internship will be in a full-time mode. The internship will start from the last week of March and it will go on till the September. Talking about the skills, then as this is a data science and machine learning internship, then you should be having a knowledge in DNN model architecture design. You should be also having a knowledge in Python or PyTorch framework. And if you are having knowledge in LaTeX and experience in handling large scale data with a knowledge in AWS or any other cloud-based services, then it will be an advantage for this internship. And if you are having any prior knowledge or done any internships or worked in any projects related to machine learning or data science, then you can mention in your CV and also in the application form. Third opportunity is from Cisco. Cisco is hiring for ASIC engineer role. Under the ASIC engineer role, they are hiring for the 3 different positions, which are ASIC design and verification engineer, physical design engineer and DFT engineer. So according to your skill sets and according to your knowledge, you will be provided any of the positions which you are suitable for. Talking about the eligibility and education qualification, then students passing out in 2023 and pursuing their bachelor's or master's degree in electronics engineering, microelectronics or VLSI can apply for this job. You should be understanding the engineering fundamentals and having problem solving skills. You should be having knowledge in hardware design, advanced data structures algorithms and design patterns with a knowledge in system Verilog, HDL, C, C++ or Python language. Talking about the work location, then they are hiring for Bangalore. So this is a core hardware related jobs for EC, electronics, microelectronics and VLSI engineers. So you must apply for this job. Fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from Verizon. Verizon is hiring for the software development engineer. Talking about the eligibility, then the students who are pursuing their bachelor's degree, dual degree or master's degree in the field of computer engineering or information technology or related field and are graduating in the year 2023 can apply for this job. Talking about the skills, then you should be having a strong analytical skills, communication skills, leadership and presentation skills with experience in MS Office like MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. And talking about the knowledge in technology domain, then you should be having a knowledge in basics computer programming and you should be able to code. So this was the job opportunity. According to your eligibility and skill sets, you must apply for all these jobs. And if you like the video, do hit the like button and also share with your friends, those who are in search of new job opportunities. And consider subscribing our channel for the latest off-campus jobs, internships and IT related solutions. Thank you.